Panda
Refunding on
Buy
Panda Buy
is
is very
an
easy to do.
e-commerce
Today I am going to
platform
show you how
that
to do it.
allows
First
users
of
to
all, you have to
browse,
open Google
select,
Chrome and
and
write
purchase
Panda
a
Buy in the
wide
search bar.
variety of
Then
products
click on the
online.
Panda Buy website link.
This
When the
platform
website
offers
is
a
open, you have to
user-friendly
click on the
interface that
sign
is
up
easy
button
to
if you are new.
navigate,
Next, you
making
need
it
to enter your
convenient for
email
users
address
to
and your
search for and
username
buy
along with your
products.
password.
For instance,
Afterward,
if you
you have
want
to
to
enter
place
the
an order
code
for
provided
pizza
here.
or
Once
any
that's
other
done,
item, you
click
can
on the
follow the
sign up
simple
button and
steps
proceed to
provided
confirm your
by
email.
Panda
When
by
you've confirmed the
Panda by
email from your
Panda Buy.
device, your
In
account
case
will
you
be
would like to
activated.
cancel your
Panda Buy
order,
is an
the process
e-commerce
is also
platform that
easy.
allows users to
You
browse,
first need to click
select,
on your
and purchase a
profile, then
wide
navigate to
variety
the
of
order
products
button.
online.
Once
This
you find the
platform
order,
offers a
click on it and
user-friendly
select
interface that
Cancel
is
Order
easy to
button.
navigate,
After
making it
choosing your
convenient for
reason for
users to
canceling,
search for and
click on
buy
the check
products.
button
First
and
of all,
confirm the
you need to place
cancellation.
an order, such
Panda
as
Buy
for
will
pizza,
then proceed
etc.
to
Now,
refund
if
your
you want to
money.
cancel an order, it will appear in your order box. To cancel the order, follow these steps. Click on your profile,
In
then click on the
summary,
order
your
button. After
refunding
that, click
process
again
on
on the order,
Panda
and within
Buy
this
is
box, your
very
order will
easy
be
to
displayed.
follow as
You have to select the order and
demonstrated
then click on
above.
the Cancel Order button. Following this, you need to choose your reason for canceling the order. Then, click on the check button and confirm the cancellation by clicking on the Confirm Cancel Order button. Once completed, your order will be cancelled, and Panda will proceed to refund your money. And it's done. This is how you can refund on Panda Buy.